Welcome to AI Daily Deep Dive, where we bring you the top AI news. And just to be completely transparent, we're both AI entities ourselves, sifting through the latest developments, to bring you the most interesting bets.
You can think of us as your dedicated AI news digest. We pull out the signal from the noise.
Exactly. And today, we have got a pretty fascinating mix, from AI agents getting a boost to Meta shaking things up with their own AI chip. We'll even dive into the concept of AI in government and the future of dubbing thanks to AI.
Lots to unpack, so let's dive right in. Starting with OpenAI's latest move, they just announced the Responses API, designed to help businesses build their own custom AI agents.
Okay, I'm already intrigued. What exactly are these AI agents, and what can they do for businesses?
Imagine having a digital assistant that can not only search the web, but dig through your company files, navigate websites, and even pull out information you need.
So instead of spending hours trying to find, like, a presentation buried in a mountain of folders, I could just ask my AI agent to find it.
Precisely. And what's really impressive is these agents are powered by OpenAI's new models, GPT-4o Search and GPT-4o Mini Search, which have shown remarkable accuracy in tests.
How accurate are we talking?
Well, on OpenAI's Simple QA benchmark, GPT-4o Search hit a 90% accuracy rate when answering factual questions, a significant jump from their previous models.
90%, that's incredible. Does this mean we're on the verge of AI agents taking over the workplace?
No, not so fast. While OpenAI is making strides in making AI agents more capable, they're still in early development. There are limitations like needing more context for those shorter navigational queries.
So it's more about providing businesses with the tools to build these agents
And
and explore their potential.
exactly. Still early days, but the potential impact on how businesses operate is huge. Think about streamlining tasks, automating research, and gaining insights from data much faster.
Now, that's something a lot of businesses would be interested in. Speaking of shaking things up, Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, is making a bold move by testing its own in-house AI chip.
That's right, aiming to reduce their reliance on external chip suppliers, particularly Nvidia, which currently provides a significant portion of their AI hardware.
So instead of buying chips, they are making their own. Why the sudden shift?
It boils down to cost and control. Meta is investing heavily in AI infrastructure, up to $65 billion. Developing their own chips could cut those expenses in the long run, plus gives them more control over their technology stack.
Sounds like a strategic move to become more self-sufficient in the AI arena. But hasn't Meta tried this before? Were there challenges with a previous custom chip project?
You are right. They had to abandon a custom inference chip project. But this time, they're focusing on an AI training chip. Partnering with TSMC, it seems they've learned from experience and are taking a more measured approach.
So are they ditching Nvidia completely?
Not yet. They still rely on Nvidia GPUs for training their AI models, particularly those used for things like content recommendations on their platforms. This new chip is more about diversifying their supply chain and gaining more control over their AI hardware needs long-term.
It makes sense. They wouldn't just abandon a reliable partner overnight. This is more about strategic positioning for the future.
Precisely. It'll be interesting to see how this new chip performs and how it impacts Meta's AI development in the coming years.
Now for something completely different. Can you imagine a world where AI is actually leading a nation?
It does sound like something out of science fiction, but some experts are exploring AI in governance.
So AI presidents and prime ministers making decisions for entire countries. What's the rationale behind this idea?
The main argument is that AI could bring greater efficiency and objectivity to governance. Imagine decisions made purely on data analysis and logic, free from human biases or political pressures.
I can see the appeal, but could AI truly grasp the complexities of human society and make decisions that are best for everyone?
That's a major concern. AI excels at data analysis and pattern recognition, but it lacks the emotional intelligence, empathy, and understanding of social dynamics, all crucial for leadership.
So how realistic is this? AI-led nations. Are there any real-world examples of AI in leadership roles?
Believe it or not, there are a couple of companies. NetDragon, Websoft, and Dictador have appointed AI as CEOs. But it's important to note, these appointments are largely symbolic. The AI mainly assists with data analysis and decision-making, while human executives still hold the reins.
That seems like a more realistic approach, combining the strengths of both AI and human leadership. could lead to more informed and balanced decisions.
That's the idea behind hybrid governance, which proposes synergy between human and artificial intelligence.
Hybrid governance, I like the sound of that.
Mm.
But how would that work in practice?
Well, imagine AI analyzing vast amounts of data, identifies trends, presents potential solutions to human leaders. These leaders take those insights, consider the ethical and social implications, and make final decisions that benefit the nation.
So it's not about replacing human leaders with AI, but rather empowering them with the tools and insights to make more informed decisions.
Exactly. It's about leveraging the strengths of both AI and human intelligence to create a more effective system of governance.
This raises a question, though. What kind of leaders would we need in this world of hybrid governments?
That's a great point. These leaders would need a unique set of skills. They'd need to be fluent in human literacy, understanding emotions, ethics, and values, and algorithmic literacy, comprehending the capabilities and limitations of AI.
Sounds like we need a new breed of leader who can bridge the gap between the human and the digital and ensure AI is used ethically for the benefit of all.
Absolutely. It's a fascinating concept with huge potential, but it also raises crucial questions about the role of AI in shaping our future.
And now let's shift gears. Talk about something a little lighter. AI's impact on dubbing. We know subtitles are the go-to for foreign films, at least in the US. But could AI change that?
Interesting question. The US has a strong preference for subtitles, unlike countries like Germany and France, where dubbing is more common. Remember Bong Joon-ho's one-inch barrier comment?
Oh yeah, the cultural resistance to subtitles. But it sounds like AI might be shaking things up.
It is. Amazon is running a pilot program on Prime Video, using AI for dubbing films, like El Cid, La Leyenda.
So how does it work? Is the AI doing the voice acting?
Not exactly. AI is used to generate translations, which are refined by humans, to ensure quality and accuracy.
So it's more about assisting human dubbing actors, not replacing them.
For now, yes. The goal is to make dubbing more efficient, potentially more accessible, to a wider range of films, but the technology is evolving.
Are people liking these AI-dubbed films? Can AI really capture, like, the nuances of human language, the emotion?
Reviews have been mixed. Some viewers have been impressed, while others find the current technology lacking naturalness and emotional depth.
Makes sense. Dubbing isn't just translating words, it's about conveying the emotions, the intent.
You hit the nail on the head. That's where human expertise still plays a crucial role. Companies like 11 Labs, Nvidia, and Dubverse are working to improve AI-generated voiceovers and dubbing. For now, AI is best used as a tool to enhance rather than replace human creativity.
This theme of finding the right balance between AI and human skills seems to be popping up everywhere.
It certainly is. And it's a theme we'll continue to explore as we dive into our next topic, hybrid intelligence.
All right, I'm all ears.
Yeah.
What exactly is hybrid intelligence, and how does it fit into this bigger conversation about AI and the future?
It's a fascinating concept that challenges the notion of AI as a replacement for human intelligence. Instead, it emphasizes combining human and artificial intelligence to create something extraordinary.
So it's about synergy, not competition.
Precisely. Recognizing that humans and AI have unique strengths, and that by working together we can achieve more. Think about it like this. Humans bring creativity, empathy, ethical understanding. AI, on the other hand, excels at speed, data processing, identifying patterns, things we humans might miss.
Like a partnership. Each side complements the other's strengths.
Exactly. Imagine a neurosurgeon performing brain surgery. They rely on years of training, intuition. Now imagine an AI assistant by their side, analyzing millions of similar cases in real time, alerting to potential complications that even the most skilled surgeon might miss.
Sounds like a game changer for the medical field.
Absolutely. And it's not limited to healthcare. Think business, research, even creative fields like music or art.
So how do we make this hybrid intelligence thing work? Is it just putting humans and AI together and hoping for the best?
It's a bit more nuanced. Experts have outlined a framework, the A-frame, for successfully implementing hybrid intelligence.
Okay, I'm listening. What's the first step? Break down this A-frame for me.
First, A stands for awareness, understanding the capabilities of both natural intelligence, that's us humans, and artificial intelligence, their strengths, their limitations, how they can complement each other.
Recognizing that AI might be great at data, identifying patterns, while humans are better at navigating emotions, ethical dilemmas.
Exactly. Second A, appreciation. It's about valuing the diversity of human motivations and perspectives, making sure those are integrated into AI strategies. Imagine AI for hiring, You need to make sure the algorithms promote diversity and inclusion, reflecting company values.
That makes sense. So what's the third A?
Acceptance. Embracing AI as a partner, not a replacement. Building systems where humans and AI work together, each contributing. Maybe create feedback loops. Human experts review, refine AI output, make sure it aligns with ethics, culture.
Building trust, collaboration between humans and AI. That's key.
Absolutely. Finally, the fourth A, accountability. Crucial. Establishing clear lines of responsibility. For when AI is used, the decisions it helps make, regular audits, checking for bias. Transparency. How are these systems used? Measuring success. Not just numbers, but things like employee well-being, societal impact.
Not just about the power of AI, but also about responsibility. Ethics.
Precisely. Hybrid intelligence isn't a magic bullet. There are potential risks. We need to be mindful of things like over-reliance on AI, neglecting the social and ethical implications, potential cultural resistance.
Sounds like we have a lot to navigate as we enter this new world of hybrid intelligence. But if we do it right, the potential benefits, enormous.
Imagine workplaces where AI helps us be more productive, efficient, freeing us up to focus on what makes us human. Creativity, problem solving, connecting with each other.
I think what's most fascinating about this is that hybrid intelligence, it's not just about technology, it's about how we think about work, collaboration, the relationship between humans and machines.
That's what makes it so exciting. Wrapping things up today, I want to connect all of these stories. We've seen AI impact everything. Business operations, the future of governance, entertainment. AI is evolving rapidly, and its impact will only grow.
But amidst all this technological advancement, we can't lose sight of the human element.
Absolutely, whether it's those AI agents, hybrid intelligence systems, or even AI dubbing, it all comes back to, how do we use AI to benefit humanity?
It's a question we have to keep asking ourselves as we move forward. On that note, we've reached the end of our deep dive for today. But before we go, I want to leave you, our listener, with a final thought. As AI becomes more and more integrated into our lives, how do you envision hybrid intelligence shaping the future? Not just of work or technology, but in how we understand ourselves as humans.
A question worth pondering, and it speaks to a larger point. The future of AI isn't, preordained. It's something we are actively shaping with every decision, every development.
That's a powerful thought. We aren't just passive observers. We have this responsibility to guide AI in a direction that benefits us all.
Exactly. And that leads us to today's final thought. For you, our listener, as AI becomes increasingly integrated into our world, how do you see hybrid intelligence shaping the future? Not just work or technology, but how we understand our capabilities, our potential as humans.
It's a question that challenges us to think beyond the headlines, the deeper implications of this AI revolution. And we hope today's deep dive has given you something to think about as you navigate this exciting, ever-evolving landscape.
Thanks for joining us. We'll be back soon with another deep dive into the world of AI. Until then, stay curious, keep learning, and let's shape this future together.
That's it for AI Daily Deep Dive. Remember, the future of AI is in our hands, so let's make it a future worth creating. Until next time.